What up, Crypto Warriors? It's Ultra Crypto back at it again. Today is Sunday, the 25th of April, 2021. We are in the red, folks. We are definitely in the red. But this is basically a fire sale that's happening right now. If you ask me, everything is on sale. It's a liquidation sale. Okay, so grabbing your favorite projects. That's on sale right now. Keep stacking those sats at the same time. And yeah, none of this is financial advice, of course. This is just what I'm doing. Okay? Taking every last penny that I have and putting it into this crypto market because I know it will double, triple, maybe even go 100x sometimes. All right, so let's have a quick look. Doge is the only anomaly here, 14% in the past 24 hours. Oh, and Solana as well, 16%. Monero is up. Terra is up. Okay. All right, so we have a few green coins in the top 50 or so. A few green coins in the top 50. And I'm going to give you a gem, a low cap gem, midway through this video. But I want to talk about the fundamentals for Bitcoin just a little bit. Here we have it. This is coming from Coinmetrics. And Bitcoin for 47 days straight has closed above 50K. Again, 47 days straight, Bitcoin has closed above 50K. When you're looking at this thing, just take a, always take a step back and just look at the bigger picture. I always say that in all my videos, right? Take a step back and just look at the bigger picture, because what we're seeing here is if this continues for another 53 days, right, and Bitcoin closes at closes above 50K for 100 consecutive days, we're going to see a big bounce from that point on to the moon. Okay, big bounce upward. So here you have it. This is an old article coming from Cointelegraph back on October 30th, and Bitcoin just 4 days away from historically bullish 10K price record. So whenever Bitcoin closes above a certain price period for 100 consecutive days, fireworks happens. Okay, fireworks happens according to Coinmetrics. All right, according to data from analytic firm Coinmetrics, which I just showed you guys. All right, compiled by Twitter user Julio Monero. After trading above certain price points, specifically for 100 days, Bitcoin subsequently gained by an order of magnitude. For example, after staying above $10 for 100 days, it took 122 days for Bitcoin to reach $100. After cracking the 100 days above $100, meanwhile, $1,000 appeared in just 2 days. Wow, amazing. Looking at the difference between 1K and 10K, the time period was longer, 150 days, to crack the 5 figures after trading at 4 figures for 100 days. So are we about to crack that 6-figure mark if we stay above 50K? If we keep closing, because right now Bitcoin is trading at 49.9, right? And it looks like it's trending downwards. Yep, there it is. It's well, now it bounced back at 49.975, and it looks like we're currently trading downwards. But if Bitcoin bounces back up and closes above that 50K mark, that will put it at day 48, and then again 49, 50. Go all the way to, I think it's July 15th. I did it out before I started the video, July 16th or 15th or something like that. At day 100, we're going to see an order of magnitude bounce from 50K all the way up to 500K. All right. So plan accordingly, trade accordingly. All right. I don't know who the hell is selling Bitcoin at this point, but somebody is, and it ain't me. All right. Next. Looking at Bitcoin again, this is coming from Adam back to someone he retweeted. If the current market tracked previous, it would peak mid-September 2021 with geometric mean about 500K. I just mentioned that, versus 2017 300K and 2013 analog 800K. All right, and this he's given credit to the rational root, has rebased graph at point of exceeding previous all-time high and then overlaid percentage increase since. So let's have a quick look at the chart. And even according to the rational root, right, this is starting to play out scary close. So here it is, the overlay from 2013 is the light yellow. Here it is, 2013. The peak, if it's played out right now, like he's overlaying it on to the year 2021. Okay, so 2013 chart played out in the year 2021 would peak at 800K. The 2017 bull run down here in orange, we would peak out at 300K, and look at where it reverses back to. After the peak and it crashes, Bitcoin is going to stay between the 200 and 300K mark, and if it peaks out at 300K, it's going to drop back down to a little above the 100K mark. Now, look how close this is right here. Look how close this is playing out. We have this big drop, in both markets, around the same time as we do with this current one in 2021 right now. Look at this. Look how close this is. Day 140, what? Between 130 and 150, right? We have big drop off, a big sell off. And look at that. It is playing out scarily close, just like he tweeted. Okay. So we're seeing Bitcoin basically repeat what happened during the previous bull markets. Again, you're going to have 20, 30, maybe even a 50% drawdown, which will be crazy, right? To think, oh man, I just lost, even if you're just getting started, I just lost 50%. No, you gotta think long term. Look how many days it took for it to get up to there, right? Over 287 days, 298 days, something to that effect. There, he has it written down, my bad. 2017, day 289, 2013, 287. And they're saying that right now they have it laid out in 2021 as between September 13th and September 15th. So that's around the peak of the market. So let me know what you guys think about that. Next, we have a gem. We have a low cap gem that I'm going to be showing you guys. I keep saying we, like I have multiple people here working with me. It's just me making videos and talking about what I love talking about, which is cryptocurrency. All right. So MoDeFi mod, I gave you guys a couple of days ago 5 coins to 5 million, right? And it was actually 6 coins when I was editing the video. I was like, oh shit, I dropped 6 coins instead. But hey, I'm giving you guys 5. I gave you guys a 5. It was a pretty good video, right? And well, I'm going to be giving you another fire coin, okay? And this one right here, MoDeFi. And guess what? It's an oracle play. It's an oracle play, and just like I stated in that last video, what will happen to all the oracles, all the oracle DeFi cryptos, right? When Chainlink starts to pump, it will carry that whole oracle market with it. Okay, it'll carry that whole oracle market with it, and you're going to see this pump as well. Well, what we have here, all right, no guarantees, of course, not financial advice. I'm not your dad. Okay, so, or your mom, so do what you want with your money, but look at this market cap of only $7.8 million. A super small market cap. Look at the trading volume, not even $900,000. Look at the trading volume, small. Circulating supply, small. Total supply, small. Again, or max supply, I should say, right? Small. So there you have it. Okay, let's look at the oracle coins according to market cap. So we have 14.7 million for the full market cap for all of the oracle coins. And Chainlink is the big daddy of them all with what? 13.5, basically just call it $13.5 billion. The band protocol is not even a full $400 million yet. API 3 is 137 million, so on and so forth. Let's see if we could find, I should have had it highlighted. This one of the other coins I gave you guys the other day as well, right? Look how small that is compared to the big ones. And here it is, MoDeFi all the way down here, and it's coin 1077. And again, look at that small market cap, man. That's what you got to look at. You got to look at the small market cap and then project it out can it 10x from here? Possibly 100x, right? I'm not saying that it will happen, but you got to try to find great projects and just hold on to them. You got to hodl, man. Okay, that's what that whole term hodl means. Okay, finding good projects, not shit coins that's going to do pump and dump. Okay, good quality projects that have a use case right now and that already have that's being used right now in the ecosystem, so to speak. All right, but check out MoDeFi right here. If you think that they're going to be trying to compete with Band and the likes of Chainlink, no. All right, MoDeFi's DAOs will provide the first truly trustless and decentralized Oracle data. Outliers, malicious actors, and corrupt data is removed autonomously with no outside interaction through the use of smart contracts and multiple data sources. So this will help to prevent the flash loan crashes and people taking advantage of DeFi products when you have people yield farming and things of that nature, right? And you have someone that knows how to code, someone that sees a bug in the code or not a glitch, but sees that there is information that's missing and taking advantage of it because they're having that information entered automatically, like physically by human hands, right? This one is doing it automatically, okay? And the Oracle problem, all right, centralized oracles, consensus is reached within its own proprietary network. Layer 1 limitations, slow, costly execution, reducing reliability and throughput, one-way data, okay, restricting inputs from outside sources, developers only, Oracle data requests require deep knowledge of to implement. The monopoly, popular networks control a large majority of the output data, and manipulation exploits. Data manipulation is easier within a single Oracle network. Well, what they're doing is this right here, this MoDeFi, they're aggregating all the information from all the different oracles, okay? And when they find an outlier or malicious actors and corrupt data, they remove it because they're getting the information. I'm moving my hands around like you can see me, but they're getting the information from all these different players. They're getting information from all of them, okay? Not just from their own system, but they're getting it from everywhere, okay? So back to the MoDeFi. All right, our solution: multiple Oracle networks utilizing trusted data from established Oracle networks. Layer 2 solution: output secure data at lower costs and higher frequencies. Bidirectional cross-chain, all right? Redundant fail-safe Oracle data via interoperability. Oracle Marketplace request, supply, and trade data with reputable providers. Multiple blockchains, increasing scalability, capability, and security. Autonomous execution, corrupt and malicious data removed autonomously. And there you have it. And guess what? You can actually stake it right now on BSC, on the Binance Smart Chain. You can actually stake it right now. So if you want to, stake it, okay, if you want to pick, this is something that you're interested in and you want to get some right now, you pick some up on Uniswap and then you could stake it on Binance, okay? And there you have it. You can come over here, stake it on Binance, and start earning some rewards. Let me know what you guys think about this MoDeFi and this Oracle aggregator, and let's talk about it in the comment section below. Stay away from the scammers in the comments. I've been deleting them and doing my best to get rid of them, but they just keep popping up. But yes, let's talk about this MoDeFi. Let's talk about all this kind of Oracle play and these different types of cryptos that I think will sustain not only the bull market, but as you can see, right? Where's that chart? Where is that chart? Here it is on Twitter, right? As you can see, there's always a bear market after peak bull run, okay? There's always a bear market after peak bull run. I think some of these Oracle plays will still be utilized in a bear market. Let's discuss it in the comment section below. Smash the like, hit that subscribe button, and notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. It's Sergeant Crypto, and I am out. Peace.